In this lecture, we will talk about or focus on another content brief. One more time, we have two sections. One is from the medical news today, and the other one is from the health line. We try to steal the authority from the health line. That's why we add the column of health line. And for this specific context, we outrank this specific web page. So that's why we take the medical news today. When you look at the macro context, we focus on drinking hot water and health benefits and risks. We use this specific colon to encapsulating most of the relevance calculation to the first part. That means we give the essential relevance score to the first part or expanding the context of this specific sentence or the first part of the macro context. Here you notice something, we write the health benefits and then risk. First, we talk about benefits, or we write the word benefits, and on the second position, we talk about the risk. And in the benefits and the risk, we have the specific contextual bridge that we talk about further in the next lectures. And in the start, we write the health. That means health benefits and the health risks. The article methodology that you see, it's pretty much detailed because this is our quality note. I already said nothing is random. Everything in the structure, it's detailed and planned. The queries that you see here, we process them one by one when it is necessary, and we are taking the overall weight and the contextual direction from this query network. And once we get it, best possible web page from all the query network, and we make further research from the different web pages, PDFs, researchers, or different type of documents as well. We see a few boolean questions, but these boolean questions does not appear that much inside the queries, and that's why we don't use a boolean question directly inside our macro context as well. Instead of that, we use directly specific phrase because this always appear in all the query network, which helps us to distribute the relevance in a more better way. One thing inside the macro context is understanding the phrase sequence or the sequence modeling. The word sequence that we create or the sentences that we generate from the different distribution or the types of different combinations of these words are varying according to the order that we are creating here. For example, we did not just tell the benefits. I already said we tell the health benefits, and it creates the phrase sequence that is health risk automatically. At the same time, here we have different types of combinations like benefits of drinking water, risks of drinking water, benefits of drinking hot water, risks of drinking hot water. All these combination, all of them have different types of probabilities. And now, according to these probabilities, we create the flow hierarchy and this specific coverage. In the next lecture, we will see further information in our contextual vector, and we will examine the internal links and also how we created the article methodology or the contextual structure. See you in the next lecture.